Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen any of my videos yet and this is your first time, then my name is Alexis, and thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you subscribe and you enjoyed this video. And if you've watched my videos and you're already subscribed, thank you so much for continuing to support me. It really means a lot. So now I'm going to be showing you guys a complete Kylie times Jordyn collection, and I'm sure you guys have seen it all over Instagram, on YouTube channels, other people reviewing it, giving their first impressions, but today I want to give you mine because I really do love this collection, and this is the first time I'm ever trying out her collection. I got it in the mail recently and I was like, you know what, I need to do a video about it and I want to do a look. I'm so excited for it. This is probably one of my favorite collections that she's had so far, just because it is so cute. Like, the packaging is everything, but honestly all of Kylie Cosmetics packagings for every single launch is beyond. Like, it's literally so in detail. They think about it and it comes out amazing. And this packaging I really admired because they found someone to draw themselves on the packaging, so I thought it was really cute and different. Not a lot of brands do that, so I thought it was really cool. As you can see, this one's an eyeshadow palette, and look how cute Kylie and Jordyn on the packaging, the outer packaging. And then when you open it, the inner packaging, it just says Kylie love Jordyn. So super cute and simple and girly. And then the mini highlighter, this is the packaging, so it's them full body, and it's Kylie and then it's Jordyn. So you can see, super cute. And then the inner packaging for that is exactly the same as the eyeshadow palette, Kylie love Jordyn, so it's super cute. And then we have the one lipstick and the two lip glosses. So the packaging, it's just basically Kylie on one side and Jordyn on the other. Let's see if I can hold these. So it's super cute, love it. And then the inner packaging for these, Kylie also mentioned that it's a new formula for the lip glosses, which I'm really excited about. And it's also the brush I'm really excited to try to brush out. So the lipstick, it just has Kylie and Jordyn all over it, if you can really see. And then the lip glosses, they just say Kylie. It would have been cute if it said Kylie and then Jordyn on the back since it's a collection, but it just says Kylie. So those are the outer packaging and the inner packaging. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a look and my first impressions on what I think about the collection. So let's get to it. Okay, so first off, this one is the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to show you guys. It's extremely pretty. This is the eyeshadow palette right here. So beyond pretty. My first impression about this palette, first off, was, oh my god, the shade names are below the eyeshadows, because normally she does not have the names of each eyeshadow on the eyeshadow palettes. So I always hated that because I would always have to be going back and forth like, okay, what shade is this one? And it would get pretty confusing. And I just personally love when eyeshadow palettes have the names below the eyeshadow. It just makes it so much easier and simpler for you guys and for everyone. The colors, honestly, they're extremely pretty. I'm going to start swatching a few of them just so you guys can see. I just swatched all the shades from the eyeshadow palette, and as you can see here are all the shades. My favorite one that really stands out from this collection would have to be this one right here, the purple. It's so pretty. The foils, like the shimmer shades, are honestly to die for. This palette has a lot of colors that really pop out and can make a bold statement for your makeup look, but you can also tell that this palette can be used for like an everyday look, especially like the oranges and the browns. You can just do it for hey, I gotta go to the supermarket real quick, let me put in a little bit of color, you know. Or you can be like, oh, I'm going on a night out, I'm gonna go clubbing tonight, and then you could add that bold pop of purple and then use like some shimmer for a cut crease or something, girl, you know, just work it. I think I'm going to be going in first with Wife Life. Wife Life is this one right here. I'm going to be starting with that shade. So I'm just going to be using Wife Life all over my crease. And you can tell it's a really subtle, color. So you can even use this one for as your everyday look. You can just use it simple, just that color. But this one is really pretty. Honestly, I also really liked how they chose the names for the complete collection because they're so cute. I have to match my look with my outfit. You guys already know the drill. So yeah, I'm gonna be going with Peru, and Peru is this one right here. Already applying a product, I can see that there is fallout, but it's not excessive amount of fallout. Peru is this one right here, this orange shade. But the fallout is not excessive at all, so I'm gonna be going in with that one. Oh wow, this one's super orange. Just perfect for what I'm wearing right now. Okay, so this one's Peru. I love Peru. It's probably one of my favorite shades now that I have it on. It's really pigmented and it's super pretty. I also love that this eyeshadow palette has a mirror. I think all of her eyeshadow palettes have them. Not all of them. But most of them have a mirror, and I really like when eyeshadow palettes have a mirror because you can just do your makeup holding the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be using Loyal, this shimmer right here. Oh wow, it is really pigmented. So after Loyal, I am going to be using Ride or Die. So Ride or Die is this one right here. I'm going to be putting it in my inner tear duct. Let's see how that looks. Oh wow, it's super pretty. I'm going to be going in with Sister, which is this brown shade right here. I'm using that on my waterline. Under it right here. Ooh, I love this shade. I love browns, honestly. Like, I love a good brown. This one's really pretty. Next, I'm going to be going over the mini highlighter. So this one's the mini highlighter right here. It comes in 4 shades. And the 4 shades are called No New Friends, Inseparable, Best Life, and Together Forever. So we do have like a golden shade right here. And then we have some... this one's like a champagne, and then this one is like a bronzy highlighter, and then this one's like a purple. To be quite real, to be honest, I would not use the purple shade. I really don't think. I probably would not. I'd probably use only these 3 shades. I'm actually going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush to try this one out. And I'm going to be mixing in these 3 shades. I kind of want to see how that's going to look. So I'm just mixing these in. I hope these are really pigmented because I really love highlighters that like boom be extra, you know. But let's see. Okay. Oh wow, yeah. Okay, so it is really pigmented. These 3. I really want to test out the purple shade now, so I'm going to be using that one a little bit on my nose. Just gonna be mixing it in with these also. I'm gonna be mixing it in with, actually I'm just gonna go in with the 4 of them. I'm mixing them all in at this point. Who cares? I am going to use this one as like a highlighter to just pop in my bag. Also, especially for traveling, it'll be really good for traveling. It's super tiny, so it doesn't take up that much room. So it really is really cute, but it's just a mini highlighter. It's really tiny, you know. Now I'm going to be going in with the lip glosses. I actually want to use Woods as my final look, but I want to show you guys how the lip glosses look. So starting off with 23, this one's a golden type of gloss. This one does kind of remind me of Dose of Colors, the Katie and the Desi lip gloss. I'm trying this lip gloss without any lip liner, anything, just the lip gloss on top. I feel like this would be a really nice look if you're going for something really subtle, like using the 23 with the look I just did. So there's a closer look. As you can see, the 23 gloss. It's really simple. It's really glittery in a way, and it's gold, so it's really cute. It's not too much, you know, like it's good for an everyday simple gloss. And I actually have been loving using gloss so much lately, you guys. Normally what I like to do is use a lip liner, and then I'll put a lipstick, like a cream lipstick or a matte lipstick, and then I'll add a gloss over it, and it just is everything, honestly. So next I'm going to be using Partner in Crime. This one is a pink lip gloss. I'm going to be applying that. So this one is a really simple gloss too. Like it literally has no like glitter sparkles or anything like 23 does. So this one is really pretty. This one is actually like an everyday gloss, you know, like if you have to go to work, if you have to go anywhere and it's like really strict about how your makeup is, I would recommend Partner in Crime. It's extremely pretty, and it could even go with this look too. So I really think that they did a good job with this collection, because I feel like it's colors that like Jordyn and Kylie would wear, because their makeup isn't always all the time like, oh, like it pops out and it's like crazy colors and everything. It's more a little bit more of like pinks and browns and everything. So this is literally like their collection. It's literally resembles them, so I really like that. But here's a closer look. Here's a closer look at this lip gloss. This one's Partner in Crime. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's really simple. Honestly, Partner in Crime is nothing too special. Honestly, there's so many of that lip glosses that you can get that it's not even like a must need, you know, but it's super pretty. It is super pretty though. Now I'm actually going to be using, I believe, Woods as my final look for my lipstick. It is a lipstick and it's not a gloss. I don't think I want to use a gloss this time for over my look. Maybe I'm just going to see how this looks first, the Woods lipstick. But honestly, so this one, it's like kind of like a burgundy type of lipstick. But honestly, to be real, you can buy this one. This one's $17, but you can get an exact color that's similar to this if you don't want to spend $17. And it's like $5.49, I believe, from Maybelline. And it's a lipstick, and it's called Toasted Truffle. And it literally looks the exact same. So if you don't want to break your bank, you could get that one too. But let's try this one. This one is Woods. I actually really like it. It's super pretty. I don't really have a lot of lipstick colors this color, so I'm really happy that I got this lipstick. I believe it is sold out online already, but honestly I do think there's going to be a restock though. Normally for everything Kylie Cosmetics, there's always a restock, so don't worry, you could get it then. But I actually really do love this shade, and I do kind of want to apply Partner in Crime over it just to see how it looks. So this is the finished look. Close my eyes so you guys can see the eyeshadow clearly. And then I ended up going in with Woods, and I used Partner in Crime, so that's why it looks a little bit more glossier. And I actually do like Woods and Partner in Crime mixed up, so if you have the collection you could use that, and it looks really cute. So what do I think about this collection? Okay, honestly I think it's a hit. I really do. The eyeshadow palette is everything. If I could buy only one thing from the complete collection, it would be the eyeshadow palette. This palette literally has everything that you could do to possibly make like any type of look. I mean, you could do an everyday glam look, you could do a pop of color. It's just everything. I really think that this palette is everything. So if I could buy one thing, it'd be the eyeshadow palette. If I could lose one thing, it would be the highlighter palette. It's just too small. I have too many. I wouldn't need it, you know, but I honestly do love it though, you know. But like if I was like, oh my god, I need to choose just one, I need to get one thing out, it would be that, you know. I mean, it's $40 a highlighter palette and the eyeshadow palette is $45. $5 difference, come on. Eyeshadow palette over highlighter palette. The glosses, if I could choose only one gloss, it would be $23. So it would be the gold glittery one, because this one's a bit more different than other lip glosses, you know. So I feel like the partner in crime is even similar to the KKW times Mario gloss. It's called Juicy. I'm obsessed with that one. I wear that like every day, so I feel like it's kind of similar, so I would drop that one. The lipstick totally hit. I would get it because I don't have a lot of lipstick colors this exact color, but if you are on a budget, I would totally get the Maybelline Toasted Truffle for $5.49. You save a couple dollars and it's literally almost the same thing, so totally. But other than that, I really feel like everything is worth it because it's $124 for all of that, and it's one of her cheapest collections that she has had. So I really think that it is worth it in the end. If you do get it all, you will use it, trust me. Even though I'd say the ones I wouldn't get if I had to choose, I honestly didn't mind buying the complete collection because I know I'm really going to use it, and they are all really cute and it's not extremely expensive, you know. You feel me? But yeah, so let me know below down in the comments if you guys have tried any of her collection from Jordyn and Kylie. Let me know what you guys thought about it. If you guys kind of agree with me, or if you guys don't, let me know down below and I'll be responding back to you guys. I really love connecting with you guys and getting to know your viewpoints, so let me know. But thank you so much for watching this video and being a real one, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you can get notified every time I do a new upload, and like this video and comment down below. Until next time, bye guys.